Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Plum. Today I'm excited to show you guys my first attempt at making some chili powder from all of the wonderful dried chilies that you see before you. You might remember from last summer I had an awesome chili harvest, and I did actually manage to put away some in the form of a really hot spicy salsa kind of mix. I'll show that to you guys in a little bit at the end of the video. But I also harvested a bunch kind of right at the end when we got hit with the frost, and then I never got around to grinding these down. So they've just been sitting around and they are completely dried out now, as you can imagine. Worked out wonderfully well. There are some beautiful colors in here. I really love these chilies. They came out really, really cool looking. These are some of my favorites. Look at this dark red. Just amazing colors. I love these. And anyway, so yeah, basically I'm going to just rip out the stems here, and we are going to use our handy dandy, sorry for the noise there, our handy dandy coffee grinder. And as you know, I don't drink coffee, but I do use this all the time for grinding up all sorts of stuff, from oats and you know, even chickpeas and all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna take these guys, we're gonna rip off the stem, and we're gonna put them in here, grind it up. I probably will leave the window open while I'm doing this, because I'm told that some of this powder will get into the air and it will be having me wheezing and coughing, so we will see. My brother did recommend that I do this outside, but it's kind of impractical for me to do so and to be able to show you guys at the same time. So I'm gonna take my chances in here and we'll see what happens. So let's get going and see what kind of powder we can make with this. So that seems to have come out pretty good. I don't even really like it to be finer than that, so I'm gonna say that that's good. So yeah, just gonna dump that out here and get another batch going, and we'll see how much we can get out of this. So that's all of it, guys. Finished everything up. The coffee grinder is actually a little bit tougher to clean out than I was hoping. It looks like I stained the edge of it a little bit red. It was pretty spicy. A couple times I started sneezing. Definitely a runny nose experience. So if you can do this, I would definitely recommend doing it outdoors. But it was manageable. It wasn't as bad as I feared it might be. So anyway, I'm gonna probably run some oatmeal through this that I'll end up eating, because I don't want to have like powdered sugar or anything like for like pastries or something getting super spicy. I'm pretty sure, despite my best efforts, that will still be spicy for a little while. So I'll run some oats through that before I use it for anything else that's not you know, like meant for me. So I wouldn't want to like poison the kids with this stuff. So anyway, you can see there's many different colors in there because of the variety of the chilies that we were growing. Some of it is this beautiful red, there's this brownish, yellowish color. It's kind of all over, and obviously like when it gets all mixed up, it'll probably be just this kind of reddish, brownish color. But man, some of them are just so beautiful. Like it was so awesome seeing them getting, you know, ground up. A lot of them had this very deep, dark red hue, and it just looks great. So what I'm going to do is just kind of mix it up just to make sure it's all kind of, you know, mixed. And I'm going to just put them into little bottles like this. I'm going to keep a big one for myself, and I'm going to give a little bit in this smaller bottle to my brother-in-law. I would give some to my brother too, but I mean, he's got so many chilies of his own that I don't think he really needs any. So that's what we got. I think this should be good. Join me for some subsequent videos. I'm sure I'll be adding this to some recipes in the future. I will probably have to end up sprinkling on my own portion, because nobody else in the family here, my immediate family, likes things spicy. So we will see how this turns out, but I'll probably end up making like a, you know, like a bean chili or something. and adding some of this, and we will see how it comes out. I'm pretty excited. So let me get this into the little jars here, and then I'll show you guys the canned you know, salsa type thing that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and then I'm gonna end it there, so stick around for just 1 second. So there you go, guys. Ended up with a little bit more than a jar's worth. If I had put all of this in here, it would probably be pretty much just a little bit past full. So yeah, they came out really good. This is the salsa type of stuff that I put away. I've got lots of videos on canning, so if anybody's not sure how I do the water bath canning, check out some of my older videos. I have a few that you can choose from, either for making fruit preserves, jam, or more like savory stuff like salsa and beans and stuff. I think I have one called like Ultimate Vegan Meal Prep or something like that. That one it should be pretty good and is pretty much how I made this. So this is crazy spicy. I'm gonna give one of these to my brother because he hooked me up with most of these chilies, almost all of them actually, and I got a couple from my mom too. So yeah, this should be good. This should last for quite a while since I'm the only one eating it, and yeah, just really excited about this. I've never actually you know, done this drying and grinding up method before, but seems really easy. The only thing I would just do as a tip is to try to do it outdoors or someplace with a lot of ventilation, just so it's not like kind of tearing up your nose and and your eyes. But it wasn't too bad, so I'm not trying to discourage you from trying it, but I just think it came out really nice. It's really cool. I'm very happy with this. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video soon. And yeah, thanks for everybody for subscribing and commenting and all that stuff, and I'll see you soon. Bye.